In this video, I will guide you through how to play Minecraft online for free. One way is to go to now.gg. Here, search for Bloxd, BLOXD. Select the search result, and here is the Minecraft Online for free. Select gameplay mode, survival, peaceful, creative, bed wars, sky wars, one block, or any other listed here, and start playing. Let's go to survival mode. Click join name, type a number, click play, and here is the Minecraft game. Press tab for inventory. Chop wood, make stuff, and explore the world. Very interesting experience. Make planks, make tools. Make crafting table. And here is the coal. If you want to give someone free Minecraft experience, use this site. No download required, no account required, just play as guest if you like. Second one is Classic Minecraft. Go to classic.minecraft.net, type the name, and start playing. Here it's nothing much and the game mode looks like creative, but it's free. Bloxd experience is better than this though. But there you go. So this is how you can play Minecraft for free without downloading and without any account. If this video helped you, please leave a like. To watch similar videos, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon to receive update notification, and I will see you in the next video.